Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can integrate your Slack account with your account on Notion without any technical skills whatsoever. It is super simple, guys. Let us teach you how to do that really quickly. So head over to Notion, and inside your Notion account, head over to your account settings on the left-hand side. And here inside that window, what you want to do is pay attention to that panel on the left and head over to connections here. Now here we'll see all of your active connections and integrations like Slack, Gmail, Google Drive, Trello, and so on and so forth. So to gain access to more of these connections and integrations, click on see all here and browse through the list of available integrations. So I would like to connect my Notion account with my account on Slack. So browse through that list and find Slack. Well, let me find it really quickly. There you go, here at the top. Click on connect here, and after that Slack will ask you for permission to finalize the linking process and to authorize itself to access your data here on Notion, like your workspace, for example. So if you'd like to do that, give the permission by clicking on allow here. Wait for the linking process to be finished. That shouldn't take Notion and Slack more than a couple of seconds. Confirm that by clicking on allow access here. And once that's done, your Slack account will be connected with your workspace here on Notion, as you can see. You may always revoke that permission by clicking on these three dots here next to the corresponding connection or integration and click on disconnect account. Confirm that by clicking on that button here on yes. And that is going to disconnect your Slack account with your Notion account. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.